Hello children, a very good morning to all. How do you do? Hope you are all fine and safe. Good children, stay home, stay safe. Welcome to grade 2 math class. Today we are going to revise place value and face value of the digits. See children, PLACE place, VALUE value, AND and FACE face, VALUE value, OF of THE the DIGITS digits. So now we are going to revise place value and face value of the digits. Do you remember children what is mean by place value? Yes, place value is the value of digit according to its position in the number. According to its position in the number such as ones, tens, hundreds, etc. Is it children? The next one, what is mean by face value? Face value of each digit in a number is same as the digit itself. So the face value of the digit never change. Depends on the places. Is it children? Shall we see some example? See, WRITE, right? THE, the PLACE, place, VALUE, value, and FACE, face, VALUE, value, OF of THE, the UNDERLINED, underlined DIGITS, digits. So write the place value and face value of the underlined digits. See, our example is 42. Our example is 42. See children, just we are going to write the position of the numbers like ones, tens. Is it children? So write the position of 2 is ones and the position of 4 is tens. Is it children? We have to write the place value of each digits. Is it children? See, now we are going to find the place value of underlined digits. Here the underlined digit is 2. So the place value of 2 is 2. We can say 2 ones or 2. Both are same only, you know. 2 ones or 2. So place value of 2 is 2 only. The face value of 2 is as well as. See what we learnt about face value. The face value of the digit in a number is same as the digit itself. Is it children? So the face value of 2 is 2 only. See, look at the next example. Our example is 83. So as well as we write the position of the given number. So we should always start from the ones. So ones and tens. The value of 3 is 3 ones or 3. Then value of 8 is 8 tens or 3. Here which is underlined digit children? Yes, 8. Now we are going to find the place value of 8 and then face value of 8. Okay children, so 8 tens, place value of 8 tens we can write 8 tens or 80, both are same only. So place value of 8 is 8 tens or 80. Then face value of 8 is, already we learned, you know, the number is the as the digit itself. So the face value of 8 is 8. Good children, are you understand? Shall we move on the next one? Good. Next one, we are going to revise numbers in expanded and short form. Numbers in expanded and short form. NUMBERS, numbers, IN in EXPANDED, expanded, and SHORT, short, FORMS, forms. See children, what is mean by expanded form? Do you remember? Yes, in the expanded form of a number, the number is written according to the place value of its digits. The number is written according to the place value of its digits. Is it children? And then what is mean by short form? So in the short form of a number, its digits are written in column based on their place values. Is it children? Do you remember? Good. Shall we see some example? See, Write the expanded form for the following numbers. WRITE, write. THE, the. EXPANDED, expanded. FORM, form. FOR, for. THE, the. FOLLOWING, following. NUMBERS, numbers. See children, now we are going to write the expanded form for the following numbers. See, our example is 82. Our example is 82. We have to write the place value of each digits. So our first step is we are going to write the place value of each digits. We should always start from the ones place. So ones, tens, is it children? So now we have to write the value of 8. See children, what is the value of 8? The number 8 at which place children? Yes, tens place. So we can write 80 or 810. So we can write 80, then put plus. So then the number 2 at which place children? Yes, the number 2 at ones place. So we can write 2 ones or 2. So what is the expanded form of 82? 80 plus 2. Are you understand children? Shall we move on the next example? Good. Our next example is 40. So as well as we have to write the place value of each digits. Ones, tens. We should always start from the ones place. So ones, tens. The next one we have to write the place value of 4. What is the place value of 4? 4 tens or 40. So we can write 40. Then put the 0 at in ones place. So we can write as well as 0. So what is the expanded form of 40? 40 plus 0. Okay children, look at the third example. We have a 9. So as well as we have to write the place value. So here only one digit. So we should write the ones. So we can write 9 alone. Here we have a 0 tens. So we may mention 0 tens plus 9 ones. So 0 plus 9 we get 9. Is it children? So that ones place is enough. Are you understand children? Shall we move on the next one? Good. WRITE, right? THE, the. SHORT, short. FORM, form. FOR, for. THE, the. FOLLOWING, following. Write the short form for the following numbers. Is it children? See, already we learnt about short form. What is mean by short form? The digits are written in column based on their place values. See children. Now we are going to convert the expanded form into the short form. Here we have a expanded form. So we should always start from the ones place. Here we have a ones. And this is a tens. That 60 we can write as 60 or 6 tens. 60 or 6 tens, is it children? So we can write the ones, tens. Here how many? Here how many ones are here children? On the ones place there is 2. On the ones place there is 2. So we take the number 2 and write the ones column. Is it children? On the tens place there is 60 or 6 tens. Both are same thing only, you know. So take 6 and write the tens column. Are you understand children? Look at the next example. 30 plus 4. 30 plus 4. So we should always start from the ones place. Here how many ones are here? 4 ones. Then tens. We have a 30 or 3 tens. This we can written as a 30 or 3 tens. See children, on the ones place there is 4. So as well as we take and write the ones column. Set 4. I written on the ones column. Next we can in tens place, on the tens place there is 30 or 3 tens. Is it children? So we can write 3 in the tens column. So 30 plus 4 is equal to 34. The short form of the 30 plus 4 is what? 34. Is it, children? Are you understand? Shall we move on the next one? Now we are going to revise the ordinal numbers. Ordinal numbers. See, O R D I N A L, ordinal. NUMBERS, numbers. Ordinal numbers. See, children, what is mean by ordinal numbers? A number defining the position of something in a series, such as first, second, or third. Is it, children? Do you remember? Good. See, now we are going to revise the ordinal numbers 1 to 20. See, we can write like this in ordinal numbers first. Is it, children? So FIRST, first. The next one, SECOND, second. THIRD, third. FOURTH, fourth. FIFTH, fifth. SIXTH, sixth. SEVENTH, seventh. EIGHTH, eighth. NINTH, ninth. And then TENTH, tenth. You have to practice the ordinal numbers 1 to 10 in your home. Okay, children? The next one, ELEVENTH, 11th. TWELFTH, 12th. THIRTENTH, 13th. FOURTEENTH, 14th. FIFTEENTH, 15th. SIXTEENTH, 16th. SEVENTEETH, 17th. EIGHTEENTH, 18th. NINETEENTH, 19th. TWENTIETH, 20th. See, children, you have to practice the ordinal numbers 1 to 20 in your home. Shall we move on the next one? What are the position of the letter A in the word balance? WHAT, what? ARER. THE, the. POSITIONS, positions. OF, of. THE, the. LETTER, letter. A, IN, THE, the. WORD, word. BALANCE, balance. See, children, just you come first, second, just you point out the letter A. If you are moving left to right, that letter A in the position of second, first, second, third, fourth. See, children, first, second, third, fourth. So second and fourth. So the position of the letter A in the left to right, second and fourth position. So we can written second. To that, we can mention the ND. That second we can written in the like this. Then next one, fourth. We can write 4. That up that number 4 up we want to mention the TH. See, children. Then next one, if you are moving right to left, so the position of the letter A in the first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. So if you are moving right to left, the position of the letter A in what? Fourth and sixth. Is it, children? Fourth and sixth. Is it, children? So both are correct only. If you are moving left to right, we can written second and fourth. For right to left, we can written fourth and sixth. Is it, children? Shall we move on the next one? The next one, we are going to revise the multiplication tables 4 and 5. 1 4 is 4. 2 4s are 8. 3 4s are 12. 4 4s are 16. 5 4s are 20. 6 4s are 24. 7 4s are 28. 8 4s are 32. 9 4s are 36. 10 4s are 40. 1 5 is 5, 2 5s are 10, 3 5s are 15, 4 5s are 20, 5 5s are 25, 6 5s are 30, 7 5s are 35, 8 5s are 40, 9 5s are 45 and 10 5s are 50. Okay children, you have to practice the multiplication tables 4 and 5 in your home. Now we are in homework session. See, write the place value and face value of the underlined digits. So you want to write the place value and face value. Okay children. The next one, complete the following table. See children, the short form and the expanded form is given. That you want to write the short form here, and here the short form is given. You want to write the expanded form. Already we revised, you know, so you want to remember and write. The next one, write the ordinal numbers in words for the following numbers. See children, here I given the ordinal numbers. You want to write the words. Okay children. The next one, what are the position of the letter A in the word mathematics? For left to right and then right to left. Then you want to write both things in the position, that letter A in the word. You are going to position of the letter A in the word mathematics. Okay children, you complete the homework and send to your class teacher. Okay children, I will meet in the next video. Bye. Thank you.